This lecture we want to find out the voltage drop across the 10 ohms resistor. That means the terminal this B and this. So we have to find out the voltage drop. So if we see in this way, so we could not understand the circuit properly. So we will try to draw this circuit in a different way. So first I am drawing this part. So this 20 ohm resistor and this 10 amps. So you can see the circuit here. This is 10 amperes current source and this is 20 ohms. So next, here there is a point B, right? So we will take point B over here. So now this point is point A. So that means we can say it as a node. So here, if you see the circuit, this point A and this point, if you see, there is no any other element. Okay, so there is no resistive circuit or something. So you can take another point here like this, and you can draw a resistor over here, and you can write it as 10 ohms because 10 ohms is connected, one terminal is connected to B point, so this is connected to B point, and another terminal is connected to node A, so that is node A. You can say node A here. So now again same thing. So the 5 ohm resistor, 5 ohm resistor is also one terminal is connected to A, so that means this terminal is connected to this node, so there is no another element here. Okay, you can connect in this way. And if you see, there is a 15 amperes current source. This is connected to B. Okay, so this is connected to B. So I'll draw like this. So we can draw in this way. So here it is flowing in the direction of A. So that means it is flowing in the direction of A. We can write like this, 15 amperes. So this is the circuit what you have to realize. So if you can draw a circuit like this, then only you can understand about the, you can understand how to find out the voltage across the terminal 10 ohms, 10 ohms resistor. Okay, so now we can divide these currents like this. So the current can divide in this way and this way, this way and this way. Okay, so that means you want to find out the voltage at a VA. So if we write loop equations, if we write nodal analysis, if you do a nodal analysis, you can write like in this way. So suppose if we consider VA as a voltage, so then the currents will be VA by 20 plus VA by this resistor 10 plus next this resistor VA by 5. Okay, so VB is already it is grounded, right? So we can say it as a 0. So that is equals to sum of the currents entering. Okay, so the currents which are entering 10 plus 15. So both are in the same directions they are entering, and these are in the different directions. So now we can say it as, if you take VA as common, 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 25. Okay, if you simplify this, 5 fours, 10 twos plus, sorry, you can write it as 1 by 20. So that is equals to 25. So if you want to simplify it as, so 4 plus 2 6 7, so 7 by 20. So if you send this to that side, 25 into 20 by 7. Okay, so now we can write it as around 71.42 volts. Suppose if you find out this, 7 3 is 21. So and there will be the remainder. So with that remainder you can get some other point. Okay, 7 7 something. Okay, so now 3.7 into 20, that will become around 71.42. So this is the voltage drop across the 10 ohms resistor. So this is the simple way we can find out. Thank you.